Welcome to WS Spoken, your go-to channel for mastering spoken English. If you have ever wondered, how do I become fluent in English? You are in the right place. Today, I'm going to give you a clear and practical roadmap to achieve fluency step by step. So, let's get started. Step 1. Build a strong foundation. Fluency starts with the basics. Focus on learning common vocabulary, basic grammar, and simple sentence structures. Start with topics you use every day, like introducing yourself, daily routine, or talking about your family. Don't rush, build a solid base first. Step 2. Listen more, learn faster. Before you speak well, you must listen well. Listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, audiobooks, or even songs. This helps you understand natural pronunciation, rhythm, and sentence flow. Try to listen for at least 15 to 30 minutes every day. Step number 3. Speak every day, no matter what. This is the game changer. Speak aloud every single day, even if it's just talking to yourself. Practice with mirror speaking, shadowing native speakers, or using speaking apps. Remember, fluency comes with practice, not perfection. Step number 4. Think in English. Stop translating from your native language. Train your brain to think in English. Start small, like thinking about what you're doing. I am brushing my teeth. This habit will make speaking feel more natural and automatic. Step number 5. Read, write, and repeat. Read short stories, articles, or blogs in English. Write a small diary entry or social media post every day in English. Reading improves vocabulary and writing helps you organize your thoughts in English. Step number 6. Get feedback and keep improving. Practice with people, join English groups, or get help from a teacher or mentor. Feedback helps you correct mistakes and grow faster. Don't be afraid of making errors. That's how you learn. So, here's your roadmap. Learn the basics, listen more, speak daily, think in English, read and write, and get feedback. Stay consistent, stay confident, and remember, fluency is a journey, not a race. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WS Spoken for more practical tips on improving your spoken English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.